We're Hosokawa Micron Ltd, experts in particle transformation and your partner in advanced material processing. Through precision size reduction and high-performance containment, we help innovators shape the future. From pharmaceuticals and chemicals to food and nutrition, our technology powers industries that improve lives, enabling our customers to push the boundaries of medicine, science, and technology. Every challenge starts with you. We draw on over 6 decades of engineering excellence to deliver tailored solutions that meet the most complex technical and regulatory needs, helping you make a real impact on the world. Our workshop is where innovations are brought to life through hands-on expertise. Here, our team assembles advanced containment systems and precision-engineered size reduction technologies, built for reliability, safety, and performance. From early concept design through to installation, we are with you at every step along the journey. We lead the way in engineering bespoke containment systems for the handling and processing of aseptic and hazardous materials. From downflow booths, sterility test isolators, and nuclear glove boxes, to weighing and filling systems, we can achieve sterile environments and nanogram containment levels, protecting both the product and the operator. When it comes to size reduction, we are a trusted specialist. Our systems offer high-performance, precise milling, grinding, and disintegrating for a range of materials. Plus, our systems can be tailored to meet the exact needs of your facility. For businesses looking to scale without investing in equipment, our toll processing facility offers a flexible solution. Housing equipment from across the Hosokawa Group, it's ideal for trials, lab analysis, and outsourced manufacturing. Whether it's a one-off project or a regular contract, we produce everything from ultra-small batches to multi-ton lots. Our work together doesn't stop at delivery. Our after-sales and technical services ensure that equipment continues to perform at its best. We do this through maintenance packages, high-quality spare parts, and ongoing support. All our systems are created with sustainability as a top priority, from energy-efficient designs to responsible manufacturing processes. This ethos runs through everything we do, from the solutions we create to the customers we serve. We don't just build machines. We develop precision-engineered solutions designed to meet rigorous standards, enhance efficiency, and future-proof your operations. The journey starts with Hosokawa.